Hey, Miss Booker's class. This week for our math lesson, we are going to be reviewing 3-digit subtraction. We did this in about second quarter, so this is not new material, but it is an objective that we're supposed to cover this quarter. So let's look at some word problems. There were 235 horses in a field. 113 of them ran away. How many horses are left? What did the horses do? 113 of them ran away. So did my number increase or decrease? It decreased. It's getting smaller. So I know I need to subtract. So let's build this number. How many hundreds are in 235? How many tens? 3 tens. And how many ones are in 235? Hopefully you said 5. Now let's get ready to subtract. So we're going to start with our ones place. We have 5 ones. Can we take away 3? Yes, we can. How many are left? 2. 2 ones are left. Go to your tens place. Take away one of your tens. When I took away my 1 10, how many are left? Good. Go to your hundreds place. When I take away the 100, I have 100 left. So my total number of horses that are left is 122 horses were left in the field. Did my number decrease? Did it get smaller? Yes, it did. Jaden had 341 stickers. He passed out 218 to his classmates. How many stickers does he have left? Did you picture what Jaden did to his stickers? He passed them out. So did his number increase or decrease? It decreased, so we need to take away. So let's build 341. How many hundreds? How many tens? We have 4 tens. And how many ones? 1 1. So let's look at our ones place. We need to take away 8 ones. Can we do that? No, we can't. So what should we do here? You're right, we need to regroup. So we're going to go to the tens place. I can break apart this 10 into 10 ones. So I'm going to give it to the bank and say, there's a $10 bill. You give me 10 ones. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So let's make our problem over here match what we've done with our base 10 blocks. So when we regroup, this is what happened to our numbers. So we went to our tens place. Do we have 4 tens anymore? No, we have 3. So we need to put a 3 up there. Now let's go to our ones place. Do we have 1 1 anymore? No, we added 10 to that. So I can put a 1 in front of that. And now 10 plus 1 is 11 ones. Can we take away our 8 ones now? Yes, so let's go and do that. So 11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Take away 8. What's left behind? 3, right? Now looking at your 3 tens, we need to take away one of those. How many are left? 2. And looking at your hundreds place, we need to take away 2 of our hundreds. How many hundreds are left? 1. And what's our unit? Stickers. Did Jaden's number decrease? Yes, it got smaller. All right, Sylvia made 428 pies. Oh, I bet she was tired after making all of those pies. She sold 172 of those pies. How many pies does she have left? If she sold the pies, did her number increase or decrease? That's right, it decreased. So let's build her 428 pies. How many hundreds? All right, how many tens? And how many ones? We had 8 ones. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's start with our ones place. So I have 8 ones. Can I take away 2? Yes, I can. When I take away 2, 8 minus 2 is 6. Now go to your tens place. I have 2. I need to take away 7 tens. Can I do that? No. What do we need to do? We need to regroup. So we are going to go to our hundreds place. This is like a $100 bill here. I can break it into 10 tens. So I can give it to the bank And he's going to give me 10 tens, so that's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So I gave the bank 100. I get 100 right out. Nobody lost any money there. Let's make our problem look like our base 10 block. So go to your hundreds place. How many hundreds do you have now? Now you have 300. So let's go and cross that out. We have 300s. How many tens do you have? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We had 2 when we went to the bank and exchanged out that 100. It gave us 10 more. So 10 plus 2 makes 12 tens, right? So now, can we take away 7 of those tens? Yes, we can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many do you have left? 12 minus 7 is 5. Now looking at your 300s that you now have, take away one of those. How many hundreds are left? 256. Well, you better get busy, Sylvia. You still have a lot of pies to sell, right? So, did her number decrease? Yes, it did. Got smaller. Good. Let's go to our next one. Ethan had 534 helium balloons. He let go of 467 of them. No, Ethan, don't let go of those balloons. That's bad for the environment. Save the turtles. No, really, don't let go of balloons. But let's look and see what happened in his problem. So if he let go of his balloons, what's happening to the number of balloons he has in his hand? It's getting smaller. It's decreasing. So let's build our number, 534. How many hundreds do we have? 500s. How many tens? 540. Nope. This should be 534. Let's fix that really quickly. Very good. So we have 3 tens. How many ones? Always make sure you copy that problem correctly. It's one of our test taking strategies, right? Okay, so we're starting in our ones. We have 4 ones. Can I take away 7? Nope. What do we need to do? Regroup. So we'll go right to our tens place. I can break this into 10 ones. So give it to the bank, take out 10 ones. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's make our problem over here look like what we did with our regrouping. So I do not have 3 tens anymore. How many do I have? 2. I do not just have 4 ones. I added 10 more. So now we have 14 ones. So now can we take away our 7 ones? Yes, we can. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now let's go to our tens place. I have 2 tens. I need to take away 6 tens. Can I do that? No. So we need to regroup. Go to your hundreds place this time. This is like $100, right? I can break my $100 bill into 10 $10 bills, right? So that's all we're doing at the bank is we're giving the 100 block to the bank. We're going to get out 10 tens. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So let's make our problem look like what we've done with our regrouping. Look at your hundreds place. How many hundreds do you have now? You no longer have 5. Now you have 4 hundreds. Look at your tens place. I had 2, but I went to the bank and I got 10 more tens. So now 10 plus 2 is 12 tens. We can take away our 6 tens now. So let's do that. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. How many do you have left? 12 minus 6. You know that double. And let's go ahead and do our ones place. I forgot to put 7 over there, didn't I? When we took away 7 of those, and you knew that double too. So now let's go to our hundreds place. We have 4 hundreds. I need to take away 400. So let's do that. How many do we have left? 0. Do I put a 0 there? No. What's our unit? Oh, I do not know what I just did. There we go. What is... where did it go? Oh, I put a screen shade. There it is. All right. Let's keep on going. We don't want to start over now. 67 balloons. Ethan, next time hold on to your balloons. Did our number get smaller? Yes, it did. Okay. All right. Who remembers what sum means? Who's the smart person that remembers? When you see sum, you are going to add. So we're just going to pull out a pen. Let's get this number added. So we have 6 and 4 makes 10. Can I put 10 down here? Nope. You know you're regrouping. You're building a new 10. Put it in the tens place. You have 0 left, right? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 tens for your tens place, and 4 and 2 is 6. So whenever you see sum, make sure you add. Let's look at this one. Find the difference. Who's my smart person that remembers what difference means? That's right. It means subtract. So start with your ones place. You have 2. Take away 4. Can we do that? Regroup. So we're going to our tens place. We're going to take one of those tens away, trade it out in the bank, and get 10 ones. 10 plus 2 is 12 ones. 12 minus 4. 8. I have 5. Take away 8. Can I do that? Nope. Go to that hundreds place. I'm going to take one of my hundreds away, and I'm going to go to the bank and get 10 tens. Now I have 15 tens. 15 minus 8 is 7, and 4 minus 4 is 0. We don't put a 0 there. So 78 would be our difference. Remember to subtract when you see that. Okay, Mason had $350. He spent $120. How much money does he have left? We're going to cross out the money that he spent. So let's go to our hundreds place. How many hundreds did he spend? He spent one of his hundreds. All right. How many tens did he spend? He spent 2. Does he have any ones? No. So look at your base 10 blocks. What's left? I have 2 hundreds and 3 tens. And remember, this is money, so put your $sign. Make sure that you have that $sign. Aline used this strategy to solve this number. So 456 plus 233. Is this a good strategy? Well, let's see. Okay. I've got my hundreds, and 400 plus 200 is 600. Then I have 50 plus 30, that makes 80, and 6 plus 3 is 9. Is that a good strategy? Yeah, great strategy, especially when you have no regrouping. Sum means you add, right? Okay, there we go. I was trying to keep it under 15 minutes. We made it. So that is your math lesson this week. You have some pages that you will go ahead and do this week in math. It's going to be pages 27 through 33 from your packet, and those are on Google Docs, so you can just click on those and do them on Google Classroom now. Everything's on there, or you can still do it in your packet. Page 31, 32, and 33 is a test grade. So you will do it on the Google Doc. You can fill it in there, click where you would put your answer, and you can type it in, or you can take a picture and send it to me. Whatever's easiest for you. All right, guys. Talk to you later.